GoPros. Hey, these GoPros are they good on battery or what?
Yeah. Okay, so we are getting to quite an awesome place here. So I'm gonna show you kind of what we've done. We've gotten some video, but the GoPro died on the cameraman. But this is where we are at here on the slab now, or the entryway to the garage, the entryway to the house here. And so we're almost done to the back. I'm gonna run out and grab lunch. For everybody, it's about 1:30, but we've been rocking and rolling and we're doing such a great job today. It's amazing. I'm really blessed to have these guys out here with me. They've been a real godsend here. So I'll kind of get you a quick view here. Then we've also got this done all around the house. I'll show a little bit more later. We have all the new brick ledge down. And so we got a little bit dripping coming off the top. Hopefully that'll quit once we kind of get it set up here. And then over here it looks oh so nice. So once that bleed water gets off here a little bit later, I'll come back through and I'm gonna go ahead and power trowel this one so it looks really nice. And then this one over here, we'll go ahead and just finish float it and it'll look just immaculate. So, and then we will under the, here, we're gonna ramp it up so we'll drag some of that back up there so that the lip there is really nice and smooth. So yeah, that's where we're gonna get to. And so I'm gonna go grab lunch for everybody and then I will be back.
So we got this little walkway. It's not even a little walkway. This is pretty wide. And then there's the porch in front of the door. And they left the door open. And you know what we did? All the entrances have wet concrete in it. Then over here, we have the driveway with a little swoopy. And then you go into there. I'm gonna go to the back. I think we're gonna have to go through a window. What are you doing, babe?
I need to stick a pole on, but the damn things keep moving.
Wow. What are you doing now? I don't know about you, but it looked pretty decent before you did that.
Now you see those lines in the middle?
Oh.
But it may have got to the point where I can put the power towel on it real quick.
Is that big circly thing?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on, Ben.
Yeah.
We have to say, Ben.
What?
Ben, and they...
I have to move and work. Don't you remember what that guy said?
That's what I was going for. Perfect.
But screw that guy, too.
That whole thing that I just did there is because I posted something some time ago about me trying to get Ben's attention while he was working on the concrete slab foundation for our house on the other end, just to tell him that his food was there. And I posted that piece because also when I called Ben, he looked dead at me but didn't look at me all at the same time, and I thought that was hilarious. And other people just thought that that was the rudest thing that I could have ever done, was trying to get attention to a person who actually asked me to get his attention and let him know that food was there. But, you know, that wasn't in the context of the shorts. So, but anyway, I'm gonna tag it here. Please comment below your favorite comment from that. So we just covered everything, and it was fine. So I hope this works. I thought I saw the door open.
No,
Is it?
Shadows.
Oh. I was like, that's rude. I jumped through a window to close that door.
It's done.
It's done.
Can't wait for your parents to see it now.
Yeah.
They're gonna...
Good Good day, everybody. It is Saturday. It's me, Kaylor. I'm here with Ben and his father, Rick, and we're going to be painting the interior of the house. Just like, it's a basic white. I'm doing the ceiling, and Rick's doing the actual walls, and Ben is what he calls himself, the mixer. Little mixer boy. But he's a big boy. And that's it. It's not cold. It's not too cold. In the last clip, you would have seen that we were covering the driveway and walkway that we laid concrete for the other day with plastic because it was going to rain and we didn't want our concrete to get soaked and take forever to cure. Now, there were still some complications, such as there is a crack in this, and it's unfortunate, but we think it'll be okay. And everything else is okay. No, I'd say that. The patio, the walkway in front of the house looks good. The back porch, Ben isn't really too proud of. I haven't seen it yet, but I think everything we do is pretty alright. For us amateurs? For us newbies? No, yeah, we're doing pretty good. At least that's what I keep telling myself, unless I'm wrong, and then everything's bad. Let's hope not.
So that's a strainer.
Uh-huh.
So it'll strain and allow that to keep floating.
Okay.
That's what we use.
So we have the space,
With this.
head thing.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody?
Yes, you do.
Perfect.
Just, they keep you all clean, though, don't they?
You're gonna want to. And don't tie it no hose.
Reach up as high as you can. There you go. Go way back towards the wall.
And go this way?
Yeah, get closer to the wall.
Get closer to the wall. Oh, you mean like the actual wall?
Yeah, the actual.
Am I allowed to hold it down?
Yeah, just hold her down, don't let go.
And then.
And then go this way.
God, it's scary. I can feel it on my.
Mm-hmm.
It's just.
No.
It's like.
I guess you never saw your dad come home after he was done, did you?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
But still.
You'll look slightly better.